The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Blue Earth County in south-central Minnesota, eastern Watonwan County in south-central Minnesota. Until 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Truman, or 12 miles north of Fairmont, moving north at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Louisville around 7:55 p.m. Modelia around 8:05 p.m. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for County, Watonwan, Minnesota.